This edition of the Weekly Wrap: Plants for Plastic in Kolkata, Women Destroy Cannabis in Himachal, and the Mauritius Environmental Emergency. The environment landscape has been a bit grim, but here's an ecological solution tailored to the people fighting the pandemic. A club in Kolkata has found out a unique way of fighting the coronavirus spread and plastic pollution. They have started a bank that takes plastic waste and plants and gives masks and sanitizers in return to the depositors. A big shout out to all those who raised their voices on Draft EIA 2020. The Environment Ministry has received nearly 17 lakh comments on the Draft EIA Notification 2020. On World Elephant Day, focus on elephant-man conflict. Officials of the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change released data that said more than 500 people and 100 elephants die every year due to this conflict. Prakash Javadekar, Union Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, highlighted measures to curb the incidence of human-elephant conflicts in India and reaffirmed the bond of coexistence with Hathi Hamara Sathi. It also released a comprehensive guideline to mitigate such conflicts through scaling up to multiple technological interventions, including wider use of drones, solar electric fence, and sensors. Activists destroy cannabis plants in Himachal, pledged to protect the environment. Activists of different organizations, along with police, destroyed cannabis plants and planted saplings in Himachal Pradesh's Rampur area. They also took an oath to protect the environment in Nirmand area of Kullu. On International Youth Day, Let Me Breathe highlighted stories of India's young eco-warriors. From a 12-year-old Ridhima Pandey urging to curb erratic city planning to a 16-year-old Deepshri Pila school striking for climate action. These were the voices of climate activism that are creating ripples all over the country. Asagaon locals protest tree felling. Locals allegedly reported tree felling incidents in private forest areas in Asagaon, Goa. They went on to write to the forest officials demanding intervention, and an inspection was conducted by Range Forest Officer Atmaram Desai and his team. Mauritius declares an environmental emergency. The Indian Ocean island of Mauritius has declared a state of environmental emergency after a Japanese-owned ship that ran aground offshore began spilling tons of fuel. The ship was carrying nearly 4,000 tons of fuel, and cracks have appeared in its hull. This created an ecological disaster, endangering corals, fish, and other marine life around the Indian Ocean island. Global deforestation accelerates during the pandemic. According to data from Global Land Analysis and Discovery, forest loss alerts have increased by 77% since the start of COVID-19 pandemic as compared to the average from 2017 to 2019. Forests have been razed at an alarming rate across Asia, Africa, and Latin America. The first ever International Day for Clean Air and Blue Skies is set to be observed on 7 September 2020. We are gathering voices on issues such as air pollution, stubble burning, vehicular emissions, cycling, and more in India. Share your story.